here, 6, remain there.
Let's go, recruits, find your colors.
Orange and gray on the right side, red left and gray right. Orange in the back, gray in the front.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods, now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
That's corner bear. Corner. With the camera. Corner bear? Yeah.
Alright, front row, arms up. And front row, take those yellow safety tabs on the right hand side. Your yellow safety tab, thank you. Excellent, alright, back row, arms up. And tuck those yellow safety tabs, excellent, wonderful. Bunch your arms hands like feet. This right here is R5. R5 is going to be programmed to help you guys escape. Listen to the droid and try not to get captured again by the First Order. If somehow they find out you're trying to escape, may the Force be with you all. If it's hard enough getting you guys out of one cell, those lines on the wall aren't going to get any straighter the second time. It's actually really hard to cut those holes into the walls. Now, front row, I do need your assistance with something. Hit these red buttons up front for me, any of the red buttons. Yeah, absolutely. None of them work. Good luck.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention won't reach. Prisoners must see the lane. There they are! Fire! Recruits!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the list down.
Hurry!
No, not up! I said down! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from...
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.